We are go school here now.
Yeah, so we are the road before it rains.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I'll spice done wash. Rain. We'll go to the shop. The killer. Killer.
Aye.
I don't like killer hairstyle. But make sure cut it. A joke. A joke.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yo, Jenna. You wanna done the road? Oh, mongrel dog, them a follow back away and go to the shop. So, the man was follow back away and sitting. So Kayla say, if I can't kill you, I better we learn. All the dog, them are gonna learn if them dead.
Exactly. They're learning dog already.
All them are gonna learn, Kayla. Them not gonna feel the pain. Them not gonna know because them are dead.
Well, they will learn before they're dead. They just say, but they listen to Kayla.
Oh, when them see the sun flashing at them face. Walk up to the car and go far. See, Kayla.
Hello. Can you take 450 please, breast?
Rain. Me are dead. But my little curls them, you know? Why? As we turn the camera, say just a gang.
Camera happy, you see?
Why? You're not sharing them some of your food? Why? Why?
What?
You're not giving them some of your nice food?
So you don't go to camera?
Ma come for you.
Oh. Come.
Why you like that?
Just make yourself one. And the food there come for.
Really, price I said it's here? What? So what am I come for? I them know what you're talking.
That's a general. Because I don't know where you live, but I'll see you what I eat there. I go work.
What you want to foot them? All of something here. Guys, so I don't know. Mash up my food already.
I got a boom.
Mash up food already. I'm just there. Drink some rum and thing and I build back.
Yo. Red.
What?
Down.
Katie. Yes. I'm gonna give them none of my rum, them I go on some.
See the water, yeah, man.
Oh, you see stuff?
Yeah, man, the drum.
Of course.
Ready, nephew, them.
Of course. They can manage it?
Manage what?
No.
Manage what?
Why?
Manage what?
Now, manage no Ray and nephew, them.
I say it name, someone know what them are talking about. If you don't mind going too far. Mind you guys, but they have, you know? What's that time? Chip, why you have to go and say woman wicked answer? Chip, I say.
Yeah, some Jay-Z out there now.
Oh. You don't keep them out there, you know? And you have it together in your hand.
Right here. Right here.
No? I think I know how fun.
Come back and make that go and get those fish.
So, Chip, what if you go out fine, right? And then you send down money for the girl. Okay. And the girl take that money there and mind man.
One of them they get to America for it. I don't have no woman live out there. Me I live same time.
This is the thing that.
Me. We see what happened to cousin. We see what happened to brother. We see what happened to friend.
So if you go fine, you left me.
Relationship me there and I done. If you want to, I'm a big boy to sell a vine. But it's done.
You're awfully? So you left me?
Are you out there? I'm gonna spend my money and you have my money. Are you take my money by condom for man? You must spend your own money. I got to get money.
You know what I mean? And now we are some
No!
high brand boat out of your money.
See it happen.
No!
Watch me see it happen all the while.
How are you saying, man?
Nah, do it.
Man, I drive car out of your money.
Listen. I'm talking to my money as a baby. buy a brand new Honda. Blood clot. Man, I can't up on that phone before me.
Come.
All the bug is there.
I read that, man.
Yeah, alright.
Okay. Not you. So if me I go find me for left you now, basically that's your answer.
Hey, me not a problem with that.
So you don't love me if you want to left me if me I go find.
Alright.
They say if somebody love you, when they let go of love, it must come back to you.
Alright.
Like water.
I think so.
Shit. Water is gonna fuck you up.
It's alright, friend.
You hear that, you guys? You hear that?
Oh,
So the man I go find left the man.
Yeah, if the man I got fired, left the woman too. So I don't know where they start telling people them we left the man. I left the woman, because the woman is a wicked woman, you know. Left the woman.
You see?
You have a good one out there, you know.
Yeah, you have some good woman.
But, well, me now got no very good and
But
bad.
are the wicked man them have them, is it?
Yeah, no, the good stuff is bad, friend.
Yeah. All times, that's right.
Me now got no, if they're good or bad. She might good when they left her, you know.
Alright.
Huh? We know how much it can change that
Yeah.
old friend.
I just like when you
Oh.
rent a place, you see me? It's when a person come to you for rent a place.
Everything's
Nice
nice and good.
nice to fucking brother,
Yeah.
nice and
On the first month,
humble,
everything
nice.
good.
Oh, first 2 months, 3 months, everything nice.
And then them start delay for your rent.
Oh, but glad.
And then they start ball.
You just wake up, yeah?
When they start ball, I say, boy, I'm 5 days later, and then 10 days later, and then they start taking my habit.
And then in 3 months late.
And then 3 months later.
I make them stay 3 months. For them me, within the first 2 months you gone. Because you have to rent, leave out your deposit. So
No, you have to give notice.
Yeah, but they still can't, after they live out their deposit, they got court, they still have to give them time to find someone.
Yeah, you have to give them notice. You have to give them 1 month notice.
Same time.
Yeah, you have to give them 1 month notice.
You know what I mean?
Mando, you hear them? You hear? Yeah, tell you. My when a man say if him go find.
Depending on how long they used to live there. Yeah.
My when a man say if him go find, I left me.
That's how I go, friend.
Rough.
That's how I go.
Right? Yeah. Go on, you must have to crackers, yeah. I'll call it that.
Woman live, they say woman and man live one taxi Friday, one left.
And a gibbon.
And a gibbon. Much as me that foreign, when me have to take plate. And me feel like you that. No, friend. It's alright.
5 for me. Go and get.
Huh? Yo.
5 for me.
5 what? Ain't so, in the time when me a 5 for you, go and go and do the time.
What?
Alright, no. Me plan you ever say one scenario, you know?
No, they mention no, they mention you fuck up in a dog.
Me plan for everything.
Man live one taxi away from the woman and the woman still like in the body that you
Yeah,
would.
yeah.
For what? Big woman thing.
Alright.
One taxi.
Oh,
15 minutes. For your woman. And you want to kill her with bun. Baby, me I got country look for mother. The time the man die, that big out the hole.
Oh, yeah.
So, me I tell that country she there. Or a town she there. Style.
Rough.
Them morning topic here. I open up no
If
pattern.
Duppy go say to you, say, what are you doing?
Yeah. One look at my
But it have to be up for center.
I chop it up.
one look at this highway drive past and look at car like money boy. I have him there. Guys size him up, class him up some way, you know, brother. You never know so all them names that they bought, you know. Yeah, me call it. Yeah, me chat out your secret. Him puppy. Puppy. I'm gonna say, what the fuck is that? Puppy.
Well,
That is a good place.
so she poop on him.
A shitbug, yeah. I they call him puppy. I'm gonna say, bumbuck. That's a shitbug. You're them full of style out there, no better than girl, no easy. Poopy! I said, poopy! I'm gonna say, what the fuck is that? The fuck? Yeah. Burn him out. Burn up in tablet. Face round there no more.
Okay.
Yeah.
The man in face the up. Yeah?
Also, baby no drop. Come here, tell you. If you shell out, you can go buy me a phone.
Me? I name is able to do that. Shop now, when you're my friend.
They your lesson.
The license boy have the insurance. We left out the part there. You take you up.
No phone go drop. No more vlogs. Sure? See, I forgot use your phone and vlog.
No, no, friend. My phone and my personal use. Your phone and your personal use.
So what about to do to my lifers?
Yeah, well, a lot of you have them busy. Well, if you lie first, but then buy your phone.
I can do a GoFundMe.
You have to start vlog by SMS.
Say it on this day. Yeah, so that topic I don't know. So I catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, next clip.
And boy, you can't play that game, my friend.
Say that kilo man.
I say, I start beat her with my dull cutlass. Where you get the money from?
Watch.
I turn swordsman same time. Where you get the money from?
Why say you're going so fast?
You say turn swordsman.
You salt me left in the back with me. You watching that? You want me to come back with bread still in there?
Yeah. What kind of bread? How do?
Not even salt.
How do a bread?
How let me come back in? Here style do.
Nails
do.
Nails do.
Nails do.
Babes, you don't know some uncle say.
Full of food. You're mad, man.
I'm uncle saying down from foreign.
When my cutlass out talk, till me talk like uncle.
They get a local cutlass.
Good foreign. So we don't wheel up the skin there.
So enough man
pop
out.
out the rasp here, we go do too.
A boil water, put the finger in the video so nail him can come back.
You mean alkaline? You don't need that. You don't need the boil water, alkaline.
No, we not use, we use the traditional style.
We say a touch a movement.
Traditional
water and stuff your finger there like that.
So, who send their money? Who send their money?
Yeah, talk now.
I use a plate and take off the one.
No wicked do.
Nah, run for the road.
So, but alright, if you not work, if you are work and she not work, and come on and see food and everything, so they just ask your babes, where you get the money from? Why you say I collect it from?
No, I'm gonna use the calm at first.
Calm at first.
But if you can't tell me where the bread comes
if
from.
you take too long to answer me, you know it's a lie. You're supposed to answer me same time. Whatever. I'm not supposed to have you ask. By the time I'm supposed to do it, I'm supposed to tell me that they get the money for so and so. Now wait until me even ask. Now wait until me see.
As a matter of fact, as I get the money, you're supposed to text me.
You're supposed to call me.
Or text say, yo, you know, so get a thing from, you see me?
Yeah.
From Rubes. Look how surprise me with steak on table.
No.
Our hairstyle do. You need to tell us why you look good. Yeah, you done there now.
Thank you.
Why you look good? See, later when I go away. And I see you go see them put that yeah, blood go away.
You do man the blood go away. And you going to see blood clot figure like here do. I told you.
Where you come from?
Yes, you guys, after all of that conversation, everything, now me I go watch she, go link Shami, because she might make sure do my nails, but she go do my foot. And I'm going to say, if you guys want to do your fingernails and your foot and all them, so I get scrub and then so I for link Shami and watch she. So me I go back to she and make sure do my foot, but I'll be considering doing my nails. I don't know as yet. This I'm like a transform hairstyle. So I catch you guys on my way to Ochi and link Shaman. So yeah. You guys with Shaman. Shaman, you can say hi. Hi. Remember say if you come check her out. Remember she gonna fix some foot some there. So I know some of a show now my dog is still. Then I like friend money. Yeah, my foot there. You guys, like, I just leave my foot look good and foot look good. Right now, I'm going to buy a patty. So, you guys, I'm there, I will come cane for my money, and then I'm take my task. Vlog. YouTube, because I'm a vlogger. From school, Kelly, say hi. Hi. You haven't seen your Kelly from school. Come on. Well, go there. School was good? Yeah? You get to homework? Yeah. My foot feel good. And Katie just reach through. And she give me her bag for all. Come hold your bag. Badness panda. Tell them something here. Alright. Come see me Sandra over there, so we can go link her. So yeah. For I'm ending this video. So we come from school. So she want to join for end the vlog. So first of all, before I end the vlog, as you all know, I always give my post notification shout out. My post notification shout out goes to
Nuki.
Yeah, and Jamaican Brown Sugar, aka Jamaica. Yeah, what's the Shamika? I can't remember our first number. The top place about in really, yeah. Nuki daughter. Yeah.
Nuki daughter.
Nuki daughter. And Suzuki. Yeah.
Nuki. Suki.
Yeah, them are twin, you know. Them are twin. Yeah, you guys
We have the same complexion, you know.
Oh, I know that.
No, no.
Well, she's assuming. So how was school?
It was fun.
Okay, great. So if you guys would like a post notification shout out, what you would have to do is
Like,
subscribe,
comment,
and share this video, and I'll be picking any random person
anybody.
or random persons and give a post notification shout out to you. Big you up, you know, don't know my for
I'll make you feel special.
because they are special, Suki. Yeah, because you're my life and I can't do without, you know. What am I going to do without, you know? Eh? Yeah, I'm seeing the comments from yesterday's vlog, you know. When I laugh off of me, I say, Kian can pick. Adam, you say, Kayla?
Right.
Yeah, Kian can rap. But I say, go check if the rap Kian upon the tree. I see. I never that I didn't mean for say. But I dance that will come out and could about that, you know? So, yeah. You know, when you say some foolishness, but I never that I mean for say, but you just say it because you just say it. Yeah. I'm seeing that you guys also dropping some topics for me and Pice. Pice, which not Spice, but
Pice.
yeah, but I know what you're talking when you're saying Spice.
Ow.
So yeah, I'm seeing the topics. Boy, okay, they won't come in the mix. So
And into comment, you guys can say hashtag. Oh, hashtag go again. Hashtag
yeah, hashtag what?
lifers or so. Lifers.
Yeah, hashtag lifers. Because you guys are my lifers. That's a nickname in case. Oh yeah, show them something. So anyways, may I end the vlog with all of it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys, Katie and Nathan, bye.
Bye.
Bye. And I'll see you guys in my next upload, which is as soon as possible. So yeah, so later you guys.
Bye.
Bye.